Well, good morning, y'all. It's Paul with Go the Flow Couple, and today is another upgrade on Terry, who's over here. So come along with me and let's see what we're going to do with Terry today. Today's renovation project is we are going to get rid of our king size mattress and we're going to replace it with a queen size mattress. Why in the world would we want to take a king size mattress out and replace it with a queen size? Well, let me show you. There is not a whole lot of room between the bed and the wall. If we take this king size mattress out and replace it with a queen size mattress, we're going to gain about a foot of space on the sides. 6 inches on either side. That's quite a bit of room. Now, in order to do that, first of all, we got to get rid of the old mattress. And this mattress is only about 4 years old or so. So it's still in really good shape. So we know somebody who's been looking for a new king size mattress. So we're going to trade this out with them. But first, before I get rid of the king size mattress and put the new queen in, I've got to do a little bit of measuring and trimming on the pedestal in here. So in case you didn't realize it, a king size mattress is 76 inches from side to side. A queen size mattress is 60 inches across, 60 inches in width. So that's going to gain us an extra 12 inches or 6 inches on each side. Now the platform is just a little bit narrower than the mattress. So I'm going to end up taking 5 inches off of each side of the platform. So when I take that 5 inches off, it's going to give me about 1.5 inch overhang on each side with the mattress, where the other one had about 2 inches on either side, the king size did. So we're going to be gaining quite a bit. So our total width is now going to be 60 inches. So now I've got to just either take this platform off to do the trimming, or I'll probably do the trimming inside and just clean up my mess. And that is it. We've already taken the struts loose on the inside, the hinges loose on the outside, and now we'll take this outside so we don't make such a big mess in here cutting it up. All right, I've measured it again, because my grandfather used to always say, measure twice, cut once, because you can't add the wood back. On both sides. And I think Sarah is going to be happy with my choice of moving it outside to cut instead of cutting on the inside. And now we'll go in and reattach it. Okay, first we'll reattach the hinges. We'll switch bits and go underneath and reattach the hydraulic struts. And so the struts are in place, and makes it where you can raise and lower the bed and keep it up once it's up. That's the main purpose of those hydraulic struts, is to keep the mattress up when you've got this raised so you can access your storage area. Okay, so we went with a queen size mattress from Sienna. We're not affiliated with this company, but we're going to try this. We'll let you know how it works out. I've never done one of these mattresses that comes in a box before, but you simply unbox it. It's all compressed inside a plastic casing, You split the casing. They even gave you a neat little tool to do that with. Actually like a letter opener. And let it unroll. Now it does say that it takes 3 to 5 hours for it to fluff up enough for you to sleep on it. They recommend letting it go 24 hours before you sleep on it. And it's got a 180-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied with it after half a year of sleeping on it, then you can return it. So let's get it unboxed, unrolled, and see what happens. Well, it is definitely fluffing up quickly, and I can already tell there's a lot more space on the side of the bed. So we're just going to let it go ahead and expand, and I'm going to work on a couple other little things that Sarah wanted me to do while I was over here today. So there's the swap out of the mattresses, and we'll see how it goes, and we'll give you a report on how this Sienna queen size mattress sleeps. Oh, by the way, some of you wondered, why did we go with this queen size? One, like I said before, it gives us more room on both sides of the bed. And two, Sarah and I get lost in a king size bed. We're used to sleeping on a queen size at home, and hey, we enjoy snuggling. The next project today is going to be the installation of a grab bar beside the shower. As most of you know, we travel with Sarah's mom, and so she sometimes requires a little bit of assistance. So the grab bar will be close enough to the commode that she'll be able to reach up, grab a hold of it to help herself up, and also it'll assist her getting in and out of the shower. There's a little bit of a step up on this shower, but it's not so much that she's going to have a big problem, I don't think. The first thing I'm going to have to do, though, is check to make sure what kind of support we have behind this wall. I know for a fact that there's a 2x4, but I think it's on its side that runs right up and down this edge. And then what I'm thinking is I'm going to have to install a second 2x4 next to it to give that grab bar a little more support. So we're going to take the trim off using this tool right here. Fortunately, most RVs are made with just things are put in with some brads, so I'm going to take those brads loose, and then I'll see what we've got behind it. So as you can see, my thought was correct. There is just a single 2x in between here or behind here, so I'm going to install a second one right beside this one, screw them together, and then I'll be able to attach the grab bar having a lot of attaching surface. Okay, so it's a little difficult to see in there because I don't have much room to work, but I have installed a second 2x, and I've gone the flat way with it so that I have more room to screw the grab bar to. It means more surface area to screw it to, and I've attached it to the outside one with 5 3.5-inch screws. So we should have plenty of support there for the grab bar. Now the grab bar will simply install right next to the wall. And there's the installation of the grab bar. So just an added little safety feature put in the RV, and now I'm just got to button all this back up. And to do that, I did bring my air compressor with me and my brad gun. So I'll just put some brads in there to seal that back up, tap all these trims back in place, and we're done with that job. So if you own an RV and plan on doing any kind of renovation work or to it, it's a good idea to have a small brad gun. Makes these jobs go pretty easy, pretty quick and simple. So I'm just going to start up at the top, put a couple of brads in it. Kick it in place, and then I'll do the trim. So there you have it. The trim is all back in place. Just have to reinstall the door latch, which is just 4 screws, close the door, and reinsert the door stop that's up there in the track. Okay, the last job that Sarah wanted me to do today was to install these command strip hooks for wet areas in the shower, and I've installed both of them. Put that back on, and then that's going to be used to hang our little buff pads, because typically we hang them on the faucet handles, and then when you turn it on they have a tendency to fall off. So we're going to install them up here, and hopefully that will keep everything in the shower a little neater. So I'm finished with those 2 or 3 little simple jobs. Until later, I'm Paul, and with Go the Flow Couple, and I say, bye y'all.